Seeds facts. Which seeds are nectar in the mouth and which are poison? Watermelon seeds, nectar. Watermelon seeds are packed with nutrients like magnesium, iron, and zinc, supporting heart health, digestion, and immunity. They contain healthy fats that help regulate cholesterol and promote glowing skin. Rich in protein and fiber, they aid in weight management and energy levels. A small snack with big benefits. Lemon seeds, poisonous. Lemon seeds contain compounds like salicylates and limonene, which can irritate the digestive system if consumed in excess. They may cause nausea, stomach cramps, and discomfort due to their tough, indigestible fiber. Some individuals are more sensitive to these effects, especially those with digestive disorders. Moderation is advised when consuming them. Pumpkin seeds, nectar. Pumpkin seeds are nutrient-dense, packed with zinc for immune health, iron for oxygen transport, and healthy fats that support heart function. They contain magnesium, aiding muscle function and relaxation, and antioxidants that combat inflammation. Their fiber improves digestion, while plant compounds promote prostate health. A small handful provides powerful benefits. Apple seeds, poisonous. Apple seeds contain amygdalin, a compound that breaks down into cyanide when digested. Though small amounts are harmless, consuming large quantities can lead to toxicity, potentially causing dizziness, nausea, or even serious health risks. The body can detoxify minor exposure, but excessive intake may overwhelm natural defenses. Caution is advised. Kiwi seeds, nectar. Kiwi seeds are rich in fiber, promoting digestion by supporting bowel movements and gut health. They contain antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, aiding inflammation reduction and overall wellness. Their small size makes them easily digestible, contributing to nutrient absorption. Regular consumption can enhance gut microbiome balance and improve digestive efficiency. Cherry seeds, poisonous. Cherry seeds contain cyanogenic glycosides, which release cyanide when metabolized. While small amounts are unlikely to cause harm, excessive consumption can lead to poisoning, causing symptoms like dizziness, headache, and difficulty breathing. The body can detoxify low exposure, but large quantities may overwhelm its defenses. Proper caution is necessary. Strawberry seeds, nectar. Strawberry seeds are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and polyphenols, which protect skin from damage and support collagen production. Their fiber aids digestion, promoting nutrient absorption for overall wellness. Additionally, they contain essential fatty acids that hydrate skin and strengthen immunity. Regular consumption enhances skin health and boosts vitality. Conclusions. Seeds are nutrient powerhouses, offering essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Many seeds, such as flax seeds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which promote heart health and reduce inflammation. Others, like sunflower seeds and sesame seeds, provide vital minerals such as zinc, magnesium, and iron, enhancing immunity and energy levels. The fiber in seeds aids digestion and supports gut health, while their protein content contributes to muscle repair and satiety. However, not all seeds are entirely risk-free. Some seeds, like apple and cherry seeds, contain cyanogenic compounds that release cyanide when metabolized, posing toxicity risks if consumed in excess. Others, such as lemon seeds, may cause digestive discomfort due to their tough fiber and bitter compounds. Moderation is key when consuming seeds, as excessive intake can lead to unwanted effects. By understanding both the nutritional benefits and potential dangers, individuals can make informed dietary choices, maximizing health benefits while avoiding risks. Incorporating a variety of seeds into a balanced diet can enhance wellness, but it's important to consume them responsibly and be aware of any individual sensitivities or health conditions that may affect digestion and safety.